In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Vortex Indicator, a quick and easy guide. We'll walk through exactly how to find and add the Vortex Indicator on Tradingview, so you can start using it in your own charts right away. Even if you're completely new to Tradingview or to technical indicators in general, just follow along with me step by step. First, make sure you have a chart open in Tradingview. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process will be the same. Once your chart is loaded, look for the indicator's search bar. On most layouts, this is found by clicking on the indicators button at the top of the screen. When you click that, a search window will pop up. In the search field, start typing the word Vortex. You don't need to type the full name perfectly. Just the word Vortex is usually enough for Tradingview to bring up the indicator in the list of results. Give it a second to load, and you should see Vortex Indicator appear among the suggestions. When you see Vortex Indicator in the list, go ahead and click on it once. As soon as you do this, the indicator will automatically be added to your chart. You'll notice a new panel appear, usually below the price chart, showing two lines that move up and down. Those are the Vortex lines, and they help you identify potential trend direction and strength. If you'd like to tweak how it looks, you can hover over the indicator name on the chart and open the settings. From there, you can adjust colors, line thickness, and even the length of the calculation period, depending on your trading style. For now, the default settings are perfectly fine if you're just getting started, so don't feel pressured to change anything right away. Using indicators regularly is much easier with a smoother charting experience, and that's where a paid plan can really help, especially if you use multiple indicators or need more alerts. If you're thinking about upgrading, check out my affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the description of this video. It's a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks more tools to combine with the Vortex Indicator. That's all there is to it. You've typed Vortex into the search bar, clicked on the Vortex Indicator, and now it's ready on your chart for analysis.